Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome in my YouTube channel. My name is Toqeer and today we discuss about stoichiometry. What is stoichiometry? A branch of chemistry which deals with the study of quantitative relationship between reactants and products in a balanced chemical equation is called stoichiometry. Let's suppose we take hydrogen 2 mole and oxygen 1 mole, and we get a product which is 2 mole of oxygen. This is 1 mole, also 1 mole, and this is 2 mole. Mass 4 gram and oxygen as we know 16 to 32, and the water mass in gram is 36 gram. This reaction is studied by a branch of chemistry which called stoichiometry, in which we discuss about the reactants and products relationship, means mass relationship, mass mole relationship, and mass volume relationship. First of all, we discuss its assumptions. When we calculation are performed in stoichiometry, we follow some assumptions. First is all the reactants are completed converted into products, means all reactants which we use, these all reactants are converted into our products. Means we take 2 mole of H2 and 1 mole of O2. These reactants are completely converted into 2 mole of products. No side reaction is occur. What is side? Means reversible reaction is occur in it in simply. Second, no side reaction means reversible reaction is applicable on limiting reactants. Means how, means side reaction is occurring or not. Now we discuss some relationships. First is mass relationship. Mass relationship, how can we define mass relationship? In which we are given mass of one substance, we can calculate the mass of other substance involved in the chemical reaction. Means we written, let's suppose this example in which we find the mass of CO2 from limestone. Now we solve this question. Let's suppose mass of limestone is equal to, as calcium 40 plus carb 12 plus 6 multiply 3 is equal to 100 gram. So mass of limestone is equal to 100 gram. Now we calculate the mass of carbon dioxide. Mass of carbon 12 gram plus oxygen 16 and 2 multiply by 2 is equal to 44 gram. So it is clear that 100 gram of CaCO3 gives us 44 gram of carbon dioxide. Now we have 40 gram of 20% pure CaCO3. Now we take 40 gram of 20% of pure CaCO3. Now we calculate its mass again. Mass of limestone is equal to 40 multiply 20 over 100, which is equal to 40 over 5, and 8 gram is final 5 8 gram mass of CaCO3. So now we return CO2 obtained from 8 gram of CaCO3. How can we obtain amount of CO2 from 8 gram of CaCO3? Now we calculate, putting 8 gram multiply 44 over 100. This is going to 352 over 100, and the product we obtain 3.52 gram. This is mass of carbon dioxide, which we calculate with the help of the relationship of mass relationship. Now we discuss second relationship, which is mass mole relationship. In this relationship, if we are given mass of one substance, we can calculate the mole of the other substance, and vice versa. Means in this relationship, given us mass of one substance, then we calculate another substance mole, and vice versa. If given us mole of one substance, we can calculate another substance mass. Now we again explain by this example. Find the mass of 1 mole of KClO3. Now calculate the mass of KClO3, which is potassium chlorate. As we know, K is equal to 1 mole multiply 39.1 is equal to 39.1, and Cl, which is 35.5 and is equal to 35.5, and last is oxygen as 3, and 16.1 is equal to 48.0. Now we calculate 6 gram 0.6 gram per mole. Means in this question we calculate the mass of potassium calculate in 1 mole of substance. Means we calculate the masses per mole of every atom. Calcium chloride and oxygen means a potassium chlorate, and we obtain its mass. Now we discuss last relationship, mass volume relationship. In this relationship, if we are given mass of one substance, we can calculate the volume of other substance and vice versa in the present of chemical equation. Now we discuss explain by the help of one example, which is Find the volume of oxygen gas required and carbon dioxide gas liberated at STP when 8 gram methane is combusted. Now we return its equation. Oxygen required CH4 plus oxygen CO2 as we know plus H2O. For balancing this equation we return here 2. This is 1 mole, 2 mole, 1 mole as 12 plus 4 is equal to 16 gram. It takes to multiply 22.4 liter volume, but we want to calculate the 8 gram. At 8 gram, what is the volume? Now we calculate simply 8 multiply 2 multiply 22.4 liter over 16 is equal to 11.21 liter. In simple method we find the volume of gas which we required. Thank you. Today's video is end. Allah Hafiz. If you have any confusion or question, please ask me. Thank you.